सेना ने शनिवार तड़के कुपवाड़ा जिले में घुसपैठ की एक बड़ी कोशिश नाकाम करते हुए नौगाम सेक्टर में 2 पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया। शनिवार सुबह तड़के सैनिकों ने नौगाम सेक्टर में एलओसी पर कुछ संदिग्ध गतिविधियां देखी। सैनिकों ने तत्काल कार्रवाई करते हुए 2 आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया। मृत आतंकवादियों के कब्जे से 2 AK-47 राइफल, 12 मैगजीन, 1 पिस्टल मैगजीन, कुछ ग्रेनेड और जंग में इस्तेमाल होने जैसे सामान बरामद किया। इस संबंध में सेना की 19 इन्फेंट्री डिवीजन के GOC मेजर जनरल वीरेंद्र वत्स ने जानकारी दी।
I am here to share with you information about Indian Army's success in neutralizing an attempt by Pakistan to infiltrate terrorists into India across the line of control. In early hours of this morning, our troops along the line of control in Nogam sector detected suspicious movement originating from Pakistani posts in the area. Appropriate response by troops on ground was taken to eliminate the 2 terrorists who were trying to infiltrate into our area by cutting the anti-infiltration fence. The heavily armed terrorists, dressed in combat fatigues, had taken the route through Pakistani posts in the area opposite, which clearly indicates Pakistan complicity in abetment to fomenting terror in India. Action of own troops was precise and timely, thereby ensuring a clean operation. Recoveries from the slain terrorists, which we'll be sharing separately with you, includes 2 AK assault rifles with 12 filled magazines, a pistol, magazines, some grenades. In addition to the food and medicines, we also have recovered about 1.5 lakhs in Indian and Pakistani currency. The search operations are still underway in the area to sanitize. The infiltration attempt follows similar attempts made by Pakistan in Kupwara and Rajouri sectors in recent past and needs to be seen in the backdrop of various inputs about increased presence of terrorists in the launch pad across the line of control, fully facilitated and supported by Pakistan Army. Indian Army remains fully committed in its resolve.
JK Update is fastest growing media house in J&K with 1.5 crore monthly views. JK Update is a best platform for advertise your brands and services. If you want to advertise your products and services, please contact us on this number. Mr. Sushil Sharma 705-109-1804. JK Update. अपडेट रहें हमारे साथ।